Hello and welcome to the Fundamentals of Mathematics, your step-by-step guide to mastering the fundamentals of math. Whether you're a homeschool student just starting your math journey, a parent looking for extra support, or an adult brushing up on the basics, this is the place for you. This course is designed to take you from the very beginning, single-digit addition and subtraction, all the way to the exciting world of pre-algebra. We'll break down every concept into clear, easy-to-understand steps, with plenty of examples and tips to help you along the way. No matter your age or experience, you can build a solid foundation in math. Why is this important? Math is more than just numbers on a page. It's a powerful tool that helps us solve problems, think critically, and understand the world around us. And trust me, it can be fun. Here's how the course works. Each video will cover a new topic starting with the basics of arithmetic, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. As we move forward, we'll build on these skills step by step, tackling fractions, decimals, and even some pre-algebra. Along the way, I'll share tips, tricks, and real-life examples to make learning easy and relatable. Plus, I've got worksheets and practice problems for you to try on your own, so you can really make these skills your own. And don't worry, if you ever get stuck, you can always come back to the videos for a quick review. So are you ready to start your journey? Together, we'll take it one step at a time, and before you know it, you'll be solving math problems with confidence. Let's make math simple, fun, and something you can feel proud of.